It seems like we've been going to Tulum for a really long time.
Yes, we do. I think mostly because of their delicious margaritas.
That's true.
And their delicious food.
Yeah.
And this view, I mean, look at it. It's so amazing. And the ocean has changed so much, right?
It was right after the storm, right?
Yeah. So it's more crystal clear than ever.
So where is your favorite restaurant on the beach?
The restaurant on the beach. That's a good question. I like La Zebra. They have good seafood.
Yes.
And they have a nice, well, they used to, I'm not sure if they still have it, the salsa classes, Sunday night, dancing salsa on the beach. That is quite a thing. And I like Nomade. They have a lot of good grilled vegetables and fish. And the scene is very nice there, no? With the DJs
Yeah.
they're bringing on. Yeah, that's for me. What about you?
Well, Mezzanine seems to be one of my favorite places here. The Thai food there is absolutely incredible. And
Thai
the
food in
setting.
Mexico,
Thai food in
right?
Mexico. That's again, once you live here 15 years, you want variety. And Tulum definitely offers a variety of all kinds
So
of
many
foods.
restaurants here, no?
Yeah.
Isn't it like 300?
Yeah.
In a tiny town of what, 40, 50,000 people?
Something like that.
It's really impressive.
I think 40, 50,000 people that live here, but another 200,000 people that visit. Actually, what is it? 2 million people that visit annually, right?
Yeah.